How sunlight helps to bolster your immune system. If you want to know the truth, please listen to this. My name is Fatima from classicalhealing.com. When you were a child, you were probably told by your mother and father to go out into the sun more because it was beneficial for you. They were right to tell you this because being in sunlight offers you a wide range of benefits. Not getting enough sunlight is not a good thing, as you place yourself at a higher level of risk of becoming sick and being miserable. People that are often in the sunlight tend to be happier and healthier. Sunlight produces vitamin D. Being exposed to sunlight will encourage your body to produce more vitamin D, which is vital for a robust immune system as well as healthy bones. When your bones are healthier, they produce higher quality bone marrow, which is a critical component of your immune system. Bone marrow drives the production of different blood cells. If your bones are weak, then you are going to be at risk to diseases such as osteoporosis. This is a very nasty disease that makes your bones brittle and more porous. If this happens, then your bones will fracture and break a lot more easily. A lack of sunlight can also make you more susceptible to certain cancers, which you definitely want to avoid. Improve your mental state with sunlight. When you are in a good mental state, you will help your immune system, and sunlight can definitely improve your mental state. It has been proven that there is a strong link between your physical health and your mental health, and that this has a direct impact on your immune system. If you are depressed or stressed, you can become sick a lot quicker than if you are content and happy. A good dose of sunlight will also help to give your mood a boost and relieve any stress that you have. In addition, this takes some of the burden away from your immune system, which means that it can use its resources to fend off diseases instead. You do not want to bog down your immune system with poor mental health, because this will weaken it dramatically and prevent it from working to protect you in the most effective way. You cannot replicate sunlight. No matter what you have heard, it is not possible to replicate sunlight. Sitting in front of a window with the sunlight coming in is definitely not the same as being out in the sun, for example. There may be interior lights available that claim to use the identical wavelength as sunlight does, but these will never be the same. You will never get the same amount of benefit from a light bulb that you will by actually being out in the sunlight. The natural UV rays associated with real sunlight trigger the production of vitamin D in your body. You will filter this out if you are sitting indoors by a window that has the sunlight streaming in. Artificial interior lights will never be able to produce these natural UV rays either. So the message here is clear. In order to help your immune system with the power of sunlight, you have to go outside and expose yourself directly to it. Taking walks is a good way to do this, or you can spend time working in your backyard. To get my free guide to boost your immunity, please visit this site abdul.cc/boost and download.